Yeah. What's up, gang? I don't know why, but it feel like a fucking Friday today, okay? Like, it's bright and pretty outside. It's real bright and sunny. So, I'm gonna do something a little different, alright? I'm gonna do like air sign, water sign, fire sign, earth sign. I'm gonna do it like separate. I'm not gonna do a separate zodiac today. So, let's do something different. So lately, I'm gonna tell y'all what I've been on. I've been doing a little bit of music, y'all. Like, hey, y'all know I'm real crafty. I'm always doing shit. So I've been doing some music, and last night, cause I've been want to do music, but with this full moon, it's like everything that I've been want to do that I haven't got to, it just been coming to me. It's just been coming to me. Y'all know it's been a full moon, right? So everything that like I've been want to do has been coming to me. So last night, I got me a little studio on my phone. I got an app. I really want a real fucking studio, like in my home, okay? Cause I really like to sing. I rap. I do all that shit. So I said, you know what? I'm about to go on and do this shit. So I did about 3 songs, y'all, and I can't stop listening to them because I'm just proud of myself. I like to do these things just to show myself that I can do this, that I got this, So I mean, hey, I might be bringing it to you guys soon. I don't know. I might just stay looking out for me. All right. So if you haven't subscribe, and She Got Us by the way. And if you are someone who watch me a lot, I really appreciate y'all for coming through. I'm telling y'all don't know how much it means to me. It means a lot. It really do. And first off, I'm going to start with fire signs. And we got some fire here. Okay, like this look like a lot of just fire here. We got the lovers here. So you could be dealing with yourself a Gemini. All right, fire sign. Because we do have the lovers card out here with the page of cups in reverse. With the 4 of wands here in reverse. So when I see this, fire signs, when it comes to your lover, you thinking hard on this love. I feel like you is not talking to this person, but your heart still beats for this person. You miss the fun that you and this person used to have because there's no longer no fun involved here. You could have stayed with this person. You could have moved away from this person with the 4 of wands here in reverse. Okay? With the page of cups in reverse, somebody do want to come talk to you, but it's like the emotions so all over the place. But this person still holds a key to your heart. Like, I feel like there is so much love here. It's so much like chemistry that this person is feeling for you. When they not around you, they fucked up by you. They call you. Somebody here reaches out to you and they feel like they have lost your ass. Okay, they feel like they lost you. Give me more on this. Yeah, somebody wants to really love you. Fire sign. Someone wants to love you here. Okay, we got the hangman in reverse. Okay. So this person, they starting to think like if anything that was going on with you guys was real. They wondering, was the love real? Is this love real? Because like I said, this person trying to reach out to you. You're not answering this person calls here. We got the 3 of cups in reverse, I see. So it could have been like a third party situation going on here. Yeah, it's like this person want to come back into your life. Point blank fucking period, fire sign. Yeah, this person want to come back to you. And y'all flip the roles if need be, because only y'all know y'all situation, okay? Like I said, this is just energy, entertainment purposes only, okay, baby? So look, there go that fucking 3 of cups again with the 2 of swords. Yeah, this was a third party connection here. And I feel like this is why you two are not together. Someone interfered with this. Other people, outsiders. Yeah, we got the Queen of Cups here, the Chariot in reverse, the Judgment in reverse, and the Nine of Wands. Yeah, this person is waiting for you. This person is also trying to manifest you back, and this person refused to walk away with the Chariot here. Somebody refused to walk away. Somebody is waiting for you. Okay, we got the Judgment in reverse. So somebody feel like whatever went on with you, they feel like the shit ain't fair. And they feel like no matter what, they still gonna wait around for you. Somebody still is going to wait. Somebody is waiting on you to reach out to them. Somebody is really like in their mode. All they fucking do is think of you. Somebody is losing their shits here. And I keep saying this too. The Nine of Cups in reverse. Somebody is not happy with some. When it come to you, they not. Like you, I don't know. It's so much fucking chemistry this person have when it comes to you. This person, they can't even focus on their work here. Somebody can't even focus on their work. They so into you. They want to know what you're doing. And I feel like this person want to know what they did. So you could have just walked away from this person without, you could just really cut this person off without telling them what the fuck is going on. That's what I'm getting out of this. Somebody is not happy. Like when it comes to working, they don't want to work. They don't want to do shit unless they connected to you. Damn. Yeah, Nine of Swords here in reverse. Somebody here is tired of crying. Somebody is tired of being up at night and can't fucking sleep. Somebody is tired of that. We got this Ten of Pentacles here. Wow. This could be your family, bro. This could be your family, or this could be someone from your job here. The Six of Swords in reverse. Just like I said, this person, when it comes to moving forward, they ain't letting you go. Point blank, motherfucking period. This person is not letting your ass go. This person will do anything to this person will do anything to get back into your good place. Okay, we got the Seven of Wands here. You did let this person go because I feel like this person's energy was not for you. You feel like this person was kind of blocking you. Okay, because we have the Seven of Wands here. And it's like you really protecting your energy. You're very much so protected from this person. And I feel like your angels probably block connection with this person, because when I look at this, it's really just this person's energy here. It's like your energy is nowhere in here. Okay, so I feel like you're someone who is not even focused on this person or this relationship or whatever the fuck y'all had going on. You is not focused on this person. You is focused on you. You focus on your well-being here. Okay, that's what it is. You're focused on. You're focused on your well-being. Give me something for the fire signs. Give me something for the fire signs. What is the fire sign doing when it comes to this relationship? Acceptance in reverse, blame in reverse, envy. You don't accept this person and you blame this person for something. Yeah, you're not accepting this person and you actually blame them for something. And when it comes to this, you feel like this person really envied you. Oh, fucking wow. You feel like that this person envied your ass. Somebody here played the blame game a lot. Yeah, somebody here always played the blame game. It's like somebody always wanted to point fingers. Somebody didn't want to accept you for you, fire. Somebody didn't want to accept you for you. I just seen the devil card, yo. Straight up. Somebody didn't want to accept you for you and who you are. Give me more on this. Clarify acceptance in reverse. Whoa. Clarify the acceptance. Thank you. Oh, we got the Hierophant here. Okay. Clarify the blame in reverse. Clarify blame in reverse. Magician. Okay, so I'm getting here with this blame in reverse. This person see that you somebody's seen that it's like somebody is blaming something on you. Something this person going through. They feel like they blame you for it. Cause they feel like you probably witchy here. Somebody feel like you're a witch here, and they feel like you put black magic on them, and they blaming you for some shit that they're going through. And when I see the hyphen here, it's like this person, they actually look up to you in whatever it is that you do, but they don't want to accept you because I feel like this person here, they watch you from some type of far. They watch you. You could have a platform here. You could have some type of business. You could have some type of something to where you communicate to the people. Because if you look at this card down here, it's people watching this woman here. People look up to you. Okay? And somebody don't want to accept that. They don't like that other people look up to you. I feel like somebody don't like the attention that you get. Somebody don't like the attention that you get. Give me something on envy. Yeah, people envy you because they see that you is not the same as everybody else. Like you got different challenges. You move your own way. You don't worry about what other people doing. You feel me? Yeah, we got the Emperor here. I feel like you somebody who doing your thing and then they go to Justice again in these cards in reverse. Somebody here, this person low key envy you. So I see why you pulled your energy back from this person because somebody low key envy you. And I feel like this person like only stay around you just for like attention, to get attention off of you and whatever it is that you do. It's like they wanted attention from you. But you saw right through this person, and that's why you walked away from this person. But this person is really just sitting up, just thinking about you and refuse to walk a fucking way. Like, when I see all these cards, like the Six of Swords in reverse, the Chariot in reverse, the Eight of Pentacles in reverse, the Nine of Cups in reverse, it's like somebody is just not fucking happy. Like, when it comes to you, they just not happy. This person wants you in their motherfucking life because you got some good shit going on here. You're someone who very much so you see through people. You see and you seen right through this person. And this person know that. So they try to manifest you back into their life. I feel like somebody here really think about you so much. They think that them thinking about you a lot and trying to reach out to you, that they're gonna get another chance with you. But I feel like that you're done with this person, and that's why somebody fucked up. Somebody cannot fucking sleep, bro. Somebody is obsessed with you, straight up. Somebody is real deal obsessed with you, and this person, they watch you from afar, bro. We got a lot of pages here, so yeah, like this person want to come towards you. This person want to speak up about something, but I already know you walked away. How do the collective feel about this person? How do our fire signs feel about this person? How do the fire signs feel about this person? Okay. Six of Wands, Two of Pentacles, Nine of Cups in reverse again. You feel like this person was somebody who juggled, somebody who probably had multiple people. You seen this person as wanting attention, but they really wasn't giving you attention. This person wanted attention from you, but they wasn't giving you attention. Two of Pentacles, yeah, they just like, they probably juggle their finances, juggle other women or men. Nine of Cups here, you see that this person was not stable. This person wasn't stable, and this person was someone who, I feel like I'm getting codependent. Yeah, we got the Justice here. Yeah, we got the Justice. We have the Death in reverse with the Seven of Pentacles. You wanted this to grow, but you seen that it wasn't going anywhere. And I feel like you actually gave this person another chance, but it just wasn't that. You gave this person another chance, but it didn't go anywhere. So that's why you stay back from this person, bro. That's exactly what I'm getting. You stay back from this person because this person, they don't. This person don't, because I feel like you someone who have like different morals, you someone who have boundaries here, but this person don't. It's like this person just do whatever. This person don't have shit to lose, but you feel like you do. You think of yourself much more. You think more of yourself than this person thinks more of themselves. Okay, that's what this is here. All right, fire signs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get you a moon message to see what you can be looking forward to for the week, and then I'm gonna also pull you out a angel message, Archangel Raphael healing oracle message. Okay. So give me some for the fire signs. What could the collective fire sign be looking forward to? What could the collective fire sign be looking forward to for the week? That's too many. What could the fire sign be looking to? Okay, we got Moon and Capricorn. Put aside emotional concerns and focus on achieving or increasing financial security. Okay, so fire signs, you could be want to put your money up. Okay, save your money and focus on like whatever it is that you want to achieve. You can achieve that. All right. Also, put aside the emotional concerns. So your emotions could be up and down when it comes to this whole situation here. All right, but you got this. All right. If it's something that you don't want to put yourself into, don't put yourself into it. All right. So let me get you a Where are my cards? There they go. All right, Spirit, give me a healing message for my fire signs. Give me a healing message for my fire signs, please. Give me a healing message for my fire signs. Spirit, what do you want to say to our fire signs that's watching? Hit that thumbs up if it's resonating, y'all. Caffeine free. Dear Archangel Raphael, I ask that you cut my cards of attachment to caffeine so that I may honor my body natural energy rhythm without chemicals. Okay, so you could be someone who drink a lot of coffee, sodas, and shit like that. Spirit wants you to have this energy to where it's just pure without chemicals. So you could be actually fasting. And if you're not fasting, maybe Spirit wants you to watch the things that you drink, watch the things that you eat, watch the things that you put into your body, because it could be something throwing off your balance. Okay. And baby, that's what I got for y'all. And if this resonates, hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, y'all already know what to do. Subscribe to you, girl, because I'm going to have more coming back for you. All right. Also, check out the playlist, y'all. Y'all might like some things, and you may can pick up on another reading that suits you. All right. And I'm out this bitch. Mwah.